Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 437 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Kleancolor Megawatts Liquid Eyeshadow that I'm going to be trying out. I have this in the shade Dragonfly and I got this from the JB&Eve's website and it was only $1 and this does come in, I think it's 16 different shades, like lots of beautiful colors. But I'm fairly new to the JB&Eve's website. I've only done one haul before, so if you want to see that video, I will link it down below. And this is maybe like my fourth or fifth product that I'm trying out from the website, and so far I have been so impressed with what I've gotten. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out today. And I am so interested to see how this color swatches, because looking at it in the tube here, I can't even really tell what color it is. It has so much like rainbow reflection to it and it seems very unique, unlike any color I've really seen before. Oh wow, this is not as pigmented as I was expecting and hoping for. It's pretty sheer. So I wonder if I'll be able to layer it. So here is how it's swatched. It's looking bronze with that like green teal reflection to it. From looking at it right away, it just is not looking how I was expecting and how it looks in the tube here. I know it's supposed to dry down. It's still not dry yet, so I'll give it some more time. But I'll just go ahead and try applying it to my eye. It does have a Doe Foot Applicator, so let's see how this does at creating a line. Like if I just wanted to do a glittery line on my upper lash line. I'm not able to get it very thin, but that's okay. I don't love how that looks because it just kind of looks like some green random sparkles. It doesn't really look much like a line. So let's see, next I'll go ahead and try just applying it to my entire eyelid. I do like that it has the Doe Foot Applicator, so it's easy to just apply it directly to the eye that way. I wasn't sure if I'd need to use my finger or anything, but this seems to be all I need to do to apply it. So here's how it looks with just one layer applied to my eyelid. It barely looks like there's anything there. It's almost completely sheer with just the sparkle, which has like some kind of rainbow reflection. And also, it's not that much sparkle. I feel like there could be way more sparkle pieces in here, so that if it was just a sheer product with sparkle, it could actually look really cool with lots of sparkle. But I feel like this is not enough to look like a really pretty sparkly eye look. So let's see if it is buildable. Okay, so that second layer, it makes it look a little bit more sparkly, and you can kind of see that bronze color a little bit more, but I mean, I don't really like how it looks. I feel like it's a weird color combination to have the orangey bronze with the green teal sparkle. Let's see. Yeah, it does dry down, but there's still a little bit of glitter transfer coming off on my fingers. I feel like it's kind of unrealistic to even apply 3 layers of a liquid eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna go back in with some more and see if I can keep building it up. Okay, so I've applied a lot of the product now, and so I feel like really the best and only use for this, in my opinion, is going to be to layer it on top of other shadows. So it doesn't give much color on its own. So I feel like this would work to add some sparkle on top of eyeshadows if you wanted to add some sparkle to your look, but it's also just not a very wearable sparkle. I feel like it's kind of, you need it for like a certain type of makeup look. I'm getting kind of like a futuristic, almost alien vibe. So for a themed makeup look, this could maybe come in handy, but for just going out or any other time where I would wear sparkle, this would not be what I reach for. I'm glad this was only $1 because I am not impressed by it. I would be interested to try some of the other colors, but this Dragonfly shade is a lot less wearable than I was expecting, and how it looks here. I just want to show you how beautiful this shade looks in the tube. But that's okay. I'm still really glad that I tried this because I was so curious about this product. I know that I do have some other liquid eyeshadows that I got recently that I'm looking forward to trying out, so maybe those ones will be better than this one that I have on right now. But still, I would love to get some recommendations in the comments down below if you have any favorite liquid eyeshadows, especially some metallic, sparkly ones that can give me a better effect than this one is giving me. I'd love to get some recommendations to try products like that out in future videos. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.